surrounded by walls that echo the void, white upon white, stained with many a lie, bound by chains where light is destroyed, in the shadows where the weary hopes die. But through the mist my eyes have found a distant sunrise on hallowed ground. I look to the moor, its space and its air, a gentle natural song calls from the deep, a thousand thoughts, a silent prayer, waking the dreams that I used to keep. I long to be free, to fly with every note, to glide through the fog like a song on the breeze, no longer tethered on the wind I float, an ancient bird, finding my ease, my wings unfurl. I rise from the clay, the chains are shattered, falling away. My eyes seek the heavens, the moorland sprawls wide, a canvas of colors unfolds in my sight. No longer does fear in my spirit reside, only the flame of my heart's inner light. The dawn enrobes the more inglorious green, the fairest kingdom that I've ever seen. My heart is a violin, playing soft and true to the rhythm of the wind and the wild zone beats. No more weeping for a door I can't pass through. My soul is awakened, the triumph is sweet. I live without haste, I live without dread, guided by the music, by the path I tread. Upon the moor I shall remain, where the sky is the crown upon my head.